Good morning, everybody out in YouTube land. Hope you're doing great today. Well, I saw a lady on the internet and she was planting all of her plants in milk jugs. And that really resonated with me because I just have a lot of milk jugs around my house. So I'll show you what I'm doing. So I took this milk jug, washed it out really well, and then I cut this top part in this way. I'm just trying different things. This seemed to me to be a good way. If I put the dirt just about here, it'll give it a little bit of protection from the wind when the babies are small. So we'll see how this goes. Then I'll show you what I did next. I poked holes in the bottom. So I have a place alongside my shed here where last year, when I really first started this gardening project, I put all kinds of sticks and leaves, everything I could find along here, and I just stomped it all down. So it rotted and everything for a whole year. And then, of course, this year, if you've been following my channel, you remember that I put some fresh wood chips all over my property. Look at this. They're everywhere. Oh my gosh. This is going to change the whole climate of my entire, maybe my neighborhood, but surely my piece of property. Anyway, back to the milk jug. So, got the milk jug, and I just put in some things along the edges here that are kind of sticks, dead leaves. I didn't put any of the new wood chips. I just put layers of, this is kind of like my own compost here that has been brewing, sort of brewing naturally for a year. So this is what I'm starting with in the milk jug. Then I'll put on top some of my potting soil, and we'll see how that goes. See, that's that layer right underneath the leaves, right where the leaves and sticks had touched the dirt, and so they are decomposing absolutely perfectly. Should be very good soil. Doesn't get much sunlight here, and it smells really good. Now I'm just going to water it with a little bit of a mixture of compost tea and rainwater. That's what I got in here. As I was watching all of that water run through this and go out the bottom, I realized, oh, all those nutrients are going out. So I'm going to put it here in one of my garden boxes. So when I water this plant, those nutrients will come down into the vegetables. Next, I'm going to put some potting soil on the top of that. And then I'm going to water that in, and then I'm going to let it sit. I didn't know that when I made these garden boxes, but since I have found out that you're supposed to let soil sit after you've prepared it, right before you plant it, maybe for 2 weeks. Okay, I've got the potting soil in there on top, got it all watered in, let it all drain out into another bucket, of course, because I'm saving the nutrients. Just gonna let it sit here on this bin because I have room here, and I have some seeds that I'll be planting in about 2 weeks, so this will be perfect. It should be ready in 2 weeks. I'll keep it watered. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Be sure and like, subscribe, leave a comment, ring the bell. Adios. Mwah. Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.